Okay, so you've attached the yarn and chained 2. Now you're going to go and single crochet into this stitch. Can you see it? This stitch. You're going to single crochet, and then you're going to 1, 2, and you're going to slip stitch into the 3rd stitch. 1, 2, single crochet 1, and slip stitch into the 3rd stitch. 1, 2. You're going to single crochet and slip stitch into the 3rd. And it leaves these little jagged teeth. Let's do it again. 1, 2, single crochet, and in the 3rd stitch, slip stitch. 1, 2, single crochet, 1, 2, 3, slip stitch, and there you go. You have jagged teeth.